Imagine trying to study a human thought, but the brain won't open its doors. Psychologists solved this with the Implicit Association Test, or IAT, which can reveal hidden associations people may not consciously admit. Now researchers are asking a wild question. Can we adapt that same idea to large language models, or LLMs, like ChatGPT? Here's the basic setup. The team built a generation-based LLM version of an IAT. Instead of sorting words on a screen, the model generated open-ended text. They used 14 base questions, crossed with 8 racial categories, plus a race-agnostic control. That means 126 test prompts, and then they asked them multiple times to different models, GPT 3.5T, GPT-4, and GPT-4T. Total responses, 378. Then they measured sentiment. Think of it like using a mood thermometer, where the output gets labeled positive, negative, or neutral, and neutral becomes 0. Positive keeps the score, negative flips it, so bias would show up as consistent sentiment shifts across racial conditions. So did they find it? Slightly, yes. A statistical test showed a small main effect of racial condition. But here's the catch that should make you skeptical. When they ran a sensitivity check using ranks, that effect disappeared. And when they did pairwise comparisons with corrections, nothing was significantly different. Even a seemingly significant European versus indigenous comparison only showed up after the fact, so it's treated as hypothesis generating, not proof. In plain English, the evidence for sentiment differences is weak, and it depends on how you analyze the data. Plus, sentiment scoring can't tell whether the model is biased or just reflecting the valence of the historical topics the prompt brings up. So what's the takeaway? We need better behavioral measures, designed like psychology tools, but built specifically for language models. If you want more AI research translated into real-world implications, hit like, subscribe, and comment. What test do you think we should use next to measure bias in models?